Alright. We are going to do a semi-short video again and everything. I am here today because I've been dying to complete it. I just haven't had time to record it. I am here to crush Mirror Crown on both of my accounts. I'm very excited to do this and everything. I hope I win on everything. I hope I don't have to evolve anything. I think I should be good on all of them. I know I'll crush this one because of the stress and everything. I know I'm probably going to do better on this one because I got just more 5 stars on this account. I have like... yeah, I have 4. Technically 6 completed ones because I forgot about the two free ones too. So yeah, I got it all. We're definitely going to crush it on this one. I love that hair. I can't wait until I get that purification outfit complete on this account. Oh, actually, I just remembered. To celebrate, I have a 10 pool. I've been meaning to post a video on. I keep being like, oh, I forgot to do it when I do record Infinity Nikki and stuff. Like, yeah, killing it. We gotta level up that jacket. Just to have it leveled, because these are going to get harder. Oh, still love the first dress and everything. Really nice. The only thing I don't have that much of is sweet. Yeah, we get this. It's more elegant than cool. Did I complete the cool set? Yeah, I did complete the cool set on this account. Interesting. Ugh. Yeah, when I go to the doctors, because I'm going to the doctors for the gallbladder and everything, I'm just gonna ask them, like, holy crap, please, do you have anything for eczema? Anything you can recommend, because I've tried so many creams. And it's like right on my ears where my headphones are. And like they itchy. Super itchy. I love the stress and everything in hair. I don't know if I maxed it out. I'll have to check. I'll check right after this. Sweet. Okay. Huh, I'm actually surprised. Oh my goodness, I gotta fix my camera. Is that better? Yeah, that's better. Oh gosh. Anxiety made me check and see if I were also recording my voice as well. You know, that pesky anxiety. Now I'm sad I evolved this, because now it goes to the green version. But I do like parts of the green version. I just think the pink version is superior of that dress. Did we complete every one of these? Oh no. Recommended? What the heck do I have too much of? Let's go with it. I think we'll crush it. Yeah, we crushed it. Hell yeah. We ain't crushing it on the other profile. The other one's gonna be like, wah, wah. Wait, was that all of them? Oh, sweet, yo. Yo. I did last time, but I'm surprised I did it again. 100% clear. Yo, let's get it. Anyhow, we can celebrate by doing a 10 pull. As you can see, I have enough pulls for the next one. What do I get? Oh, it's just a cape. I don't care about that. I thought it was another makeup. I would put another 5 in just to get it. Everything. Now, will we get lucky? Bum, 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 bum. Oh my goodness. Wait. Oh my goodness, I think that's a 5-star. I finally got the shoes. Oh my goodness, I still got so many pieces left for that. I'm happy I got the shoes. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.